Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix personal hotspot not working on iPhone. So if you are using an iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device and you are experiencing this trouble with the hotspot, here is the fix. The very first fix is to turn airplane mode on or off. First turn on airplane mode and then turn it off again and turn it on again. The second fix is to reset network settings. Go to settings, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, and then tap on reset network setting. This will reset your network and your problem may be fixed. The next fix is to check for iOS update in settings. Go to settings again, tap on general, tap on software update, and if there are any update available, if your device is, check for update and update your device to iOS 18 beta 3. If you're already using iOS 18 and still facing the issue, try downgrading to iOS 17 and then check the issue. The next and last fix is to contact Apple support. If still after doing these all fixes your problem is not fixed, the last and final step is to contact Apple support. That's it. Thanks for watching.